And now your Fox 34 Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Matt Ernst.
It's going to be very windy tomorrow. Already breezy to start the day. I think the worst of the wind will come up at 11 o'clock or noon, midday, going into early to mid-afternoon. Sustained at times 40, maybe 45 miles per hour. High temp tomorrow afternoon about 59 degrees. And we may have peak wind gust up to 59 miles per hour. Temperature in the morning dropping off to the 40s, as mild as 49 Jayton, 50 at Snyder. For the afternoon, probably lower 50s up to the northwest. 58 at Levelland, about 62 at Post. Now here's a look at the powerful storm system where it is just pouring down snow for parts of especially northern Colorado. Big storm system's going to lift to the east and actually more down kind of southeast and push a front through here and really drive strong wind. We've had some of the cloud cover today moving up from the Pacific moisture in place. But let's first talk about the wind and just how quickly it's going to ramp up. Watch the clock here. Already in the morning, we're looking at the wind, especially in eastern New Mexico, already sustained near 30. That'll spread across the area through the morning. And this is at noon. The sustained wind, some of the gusts probably about 10, 15 miles per hour stronger than this. So we go from noon, 1, 2, 3 o'clock, and it is still up there, sustained 30, maybe 40 miles per hour. It'll finally drop off here by probably after maybe an hour or two after sunset. By tomorrow evening, it's actually not going to be that bad. A very windy, nasty day, though. If you have Christmas decorations out there, and Christmas decorations you want to keep and not donate, 7, 8 doors down, make sure they're secure and make sure they're extra secure. Now, the wind direction on Wednesday is going to be critical. Watch this. We're actually expecting it to be a southeasterly wind, bringing in more humidity. And just historically, when you look at these kinds of setups, it looks like the wind may stay out of the southeast all the way through Wednesday evening. When I talk about historically, we're watching storm systems that start as rain and may transition over to frozen precipitation. Tough to do with the southeasterly wind. Want to move the forecast model ahead here to Wednesday and show you how early on it's a mostly clear sky, but pretty quickly we'll see the clouds build on in from the south, and by late in the day, we start seeing all the green right here. This is at 4 o'clock. This is a lot of rain, probably lighter rain, but rain for much of the area lifting up to the north. Then the model starts to show some pink right here. That's mixed precipitation, probably freezing rain. Then blue is snow to the northwest. I think this computer is a little aggressive on how much cooling it has with it. I think for the most part, we're looking at rain for Lubbock, but up to the northwest. Could be maybe some freezing rain, then farther northwest, maybe some snow. Check back with us. This thing's going to be evolving as we go over the next few days, but at least looking at it a few days out. And I know if you're trying to leave and maybe have family coming in a couple days, you're saying, well, I can't wait a couple days for info. Give you the best info we have right now, and that's that around Lubbock, it looks like it's rain. Northwest of the city, maybe some mixed precipitation. Even when it's wet out there, you got to slow down. That can slow down travel. But mainly it looks like rain around the city at this point. It's definitely going to be a cold setup, though. Wednesday and Thanksgiving in the 40s, back to 68 on Friday. Slight chance for rain there. It's going to be very windy here tomorrow. Thanksgiving parade up in New York, they may actually not put all the balloons up there because it may be so windy up there as well. So
wow.
Looks like our weather's not going to be bad compared to much of the country from the Rockies all the way to the Northeast. Close look at all that weather coming up in about half an hour.
Extra hold hairspray. That's the key right there.
Maybe a bun tomorrow.
Maybe a bun's a better idea.
What are you supposed to do with your beard?
That's
special.
Well, I think it'd be all right.
It goes away in just a few days, so I wasn't sure.
Come in with it just
It'll be safe.
down.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Matt.